Are you tired of changing your font every single time you open Word? Hi there, and welcome to the IT Academy. You pick a font you really like. You use it in your document and it looks perfect. But the next time you open Word, it's gone. Back to that same old default font. In this video, I'll show you how to make your favorite fonts the default. So every new document starts just the way you like it. We are here and we are in Word, and you can see the default font, which is Times New Roman. And I want all my documents to be a different font. So I'm going to set the default font. To do that, I simply go to the Home tab. I click on the Home tab and I go to the font group. You see a diagonal arrow at the bottom right here. So I'm going to click on it. And then you have a dialog box right here. This is where we're going to do the work. So what do I want to be my default font that will apply to all my documents? I want Calibri. It's a nice font here. Let me type Calibri. Okay, this is it. Calibri to be my default font. So I select it, and I can also decide to select the default size. I can make it 10, 11, or 12. Let's make it 11. So by default, every document that I start with Word will have the Calibri font and the size will be 11. So what's the next thing to do? You click on Set as Default. Okay. One thing you have to know is that whatever selections you make here, everything you select here, once you set as default, they will all apply. So I don't want to select bold. If I select bold, every text in my document will be bold. So I leave it at regular. So let's go ahead and select Set as Default. So I click on it, and then it asks me this question. Do you want to set the default to Calibri with 11 points? That's the size. For this document only, or for all documents that you create from now onwards? I want it to apply to every document that I'll create from now onwards. So I click OK. Apply to all documents. I click OK. And that is it. So from now onwards, let me create a new document. New. Yes. You see it's Calibri and the size is 11. Yes. And that is it. Your favorite font is now your default. No more changing it every single time. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the IT Academy for more simple tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.